Hello, my name is Jason. I'm 52 years of age. I had a hair transplant about 15 years ago. I wish I had more, to be honest, because it didn't give me enough coverage. So I'm here today at Hair for All, and I'm having a new system fitted. So this is Zoe. Zoe's cut my hair, and I'm gonna pass you over to Zoe to tell you what else is gonna happen.
So I've put the template on Jason's head. I've marked out and I've removed the hair on the top, ready for the glue attachment. I've also used scalp protector, which gives a really good surface for tapes and glues. Okay, so we've got the hair system on now. We've got 2 layers of Ghost Bond XL at the front, and we've got Ultra Hold tape on the sides and the back. The lace is just melted away into the skin, so you can't see it.
Just gonna go a bit forward. Look at that.
See how natural that hairline is.
Amazing. So here I am with my fitting completed. Yeah, I'm really happy. It's crazy, really crazy. I'm just going to spin myself around so you can see the back as well. Ta-da!